Good morning, everybody. Hope all of you are well. And today I'll discuss the answer of your revision tests. Okay. In the date that is 22nd June. Okay. The questions are: write true or false for the following statements. First one is given that light has three states: solid, liquid and gases. So first of all, light is not a matter, so it has not any three states. Okay, matter has three states: solid, liquid, gases. So your answer will be the false. By gravity we can change the state of matter. This is also false statement, because for change of state of matter we have to change the temperature or pressure. Okay. Next question was: drying of wet clothes is an evaporation process. Definitely it is correct. Here wet clothes means liquid water is there. Okay, and that is going to the gaseous state. Okay, so it is a evaporation process. So your statement is true. Next one is: ammonium chloride has a sublimation property. Definitely it is also true, because if you apply heat ammonium chloride, directly it will go to the solid state, to the gaseous state. So option 4, okay, that question 4 of answer will be true. Next one is given: atom exists freely except helium. This is false statement, because atom cannot exist independently, they will combine, except the noble gases like helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon. Okay, only molecule can exist freely or independently. Next, question number 2, fill in the blanks type of question. Options are given, you have to choose one correct option. A dash has neither definite shape nor a definite volume. So you have to write: a gas has neither definite shape nor a definite volume. Next one is given that amongst the liquid, dash is lustrous. Options are given that milk and mercury. Definitely your answer will be the mercury. Particles of matter dash each other, repel and attract. Generally in a matter, okay, the particles are attracting each other. So your option attract will be the correct answer. The space occupied a body is called its dash. Space occupied by a body is called its volume. Okay. And the matter's content in it is called its mass. Okay. So your answer will be the volume. When a substance changes from solid to liquid, the heat energy is absorbed or released. So definitely when it is going from solid to liquid, it will absorb it. We have to apply heat. Okay, it will absorb it and it will change into the liquid state. Okay, definitely your answer will be the absorbed. Next, another revision test. Okay, and this was taken in 15th June. Why burning of sugar is not a physical change? All of you know that during burning of sugar there will be change of color. Slowly it will turn brown color, then finally you will get some black color. Okay, and actually sugar is forming that black charcoal. Okay, and there will be evolution of water vapor also, and so this is a chemical change. So this is not a physical change. In case of physical change, the composition remains same, but in chemical change, when you are burning a sugar, a new compound, that carbon is formed. Okay, definitely it is a chemical change. Next question is given: what are the different energies required for different chemical changes? For chemical changes, we can use heat, we can use light, we can use electricity, sometimes sound also we are using. Okay, that you have to write. Why is respiration is not a physical change? When we are doing respiration, okay, or during respiration process, when we are inhaling the oxygen, it will break down the glucose molecule and forming carbon dioxide, water and huge amount of energy. That energy we are using for doing what? Definitely it is a chemical reaction as well as it is a chemical change. New compounds are forming. Right to difference between physical and chemical change. Already you have discussed that physical change you will write there will be no formation of new compound, and chemical change there will be formation of new compound. Physical change is temporary and it is reversible. Chemical changes are generally reversible and it is permanent. Next one is given that rotting of egg is a physical or chemical change. Definitely it is a chemical change. Actually egg is what? Egg is one kind of cell. There are so many pores. Okay, if you keep one egg for a long time, then what will happen? There will be bacteria will enter, okay, and there will be bacterial decomposition, there will be formation of H2S gas and different methane also may be formed, okay. So because of this decomposition of inside matter present in the egg, okay, so definitely it is a chemical change. So rotting of egg is a chemical change, not a physical change. Rust, what type of metal is present? Actually the hydrated iron oxide is rust, so type of metal will be iron here. What is the product when hydrogen gas is burned with pop sound? So when we are hydrogen gas is burning in presence of air, okay, definitely it will produce water vapor, okay, or water liquid, okay. So the product is water. Define melting and boiling point. All of you know that melting is a process where at a fixed temperature, okay, a solid is turning into liquid, okay, and boiling point, it is also a particular temperature when a liquid, okay, will turn into vapor in its atmospheric pressure. Next one is given, and this process define melting is given. So melting is a process and boiling also is a process. The process when we are converting that solid into the liquid, then it is called melting, and when liquid is converting into gas or vapor, then it is called boiling, okay. But when we are telling that point, then you have to mention that temperature. What temperature? At a particular temperature, okay, when is solid is converting into liquid state, okay, definitely then that particular temperature is called melting point. So you have to remember, if I give the question that define melting and boiling, then you have to write about the process, and when I am giving that melting point and boiling point, then you have to write it is a particular temperature where solid is turning into liquid, okay. Now what type of changes when a cow dung is converted into biogas, okay, definitely decomposition of cow dung will produce one methane gas, okay, definitely it is a chemical reaction. This is also bacterial decomposition. Definitely it is a chemical change. Okay. Why clothes dry faster during summer season than in rainy season? Okay. So clothes are drying faster during summer season because in summer in air there is less amount of humidity. Okay. So in presence of less humidity, the evaporation process will be fast. But in case of rainy season, okay, air is saturated with moisture and humidity will be very high. So evaporation process is slow. Next we will discuss another recent test questions answer, okay, that given in the date that 16th June, that mixing of acid base, what type of change? Your question was state whether the following changes are physical or chemical changes. So mixing of acid base, definitely it is you will write a chemical change. Baking of cake, this is also a chemical change, okay. Breaking of egg breaking, it is a not reversible, but definitely it is a physical change. Boiling of raw rice, so in this case you can write that when we are boiling the raw rice, okay, we are getting the boiled rice, actually water is entering into the rice, okay, as well as because of huge heat that the starch molecule will dissociate, okay, there will be formation of one type of, that is we are Bengali, we are calling fan, okay, one type of jelly, the starch solution will produce, okay, so we can tell it chemical change. Next one is given apple turns brown when exposed to air, okay. So definitely there is some enzyme, okay, it is converting into the polyphenolic compound, phenol type of compound, and definitely there is some chemical reaction. So apple turns brown when exposed to air, it will be one chemical type of change. Okay. Next, eating of fish, and definitely when we are eating fish, there is also digestion. Already we have discussed during digestion there are different types of enzymes are reacting, okay, to breaking down the proteins into amino acid. Definitely it is a chemical change. Formation of sunlight, okay. So in sun there is different types of chemical reaction. Actually hydrogen is burning, okay, and there will be some fusion reaction, that is why huge amount of heat will generate and formation of helium gas, okay. Actually this is a chemical reaction, so formation of sunlight you have to write this is a chemical change. Next, moonlight. Actually sunlight is falling on the moon, so definitely this is a physical change. Passing of electric current through a copper wire. If you pass some electricity or electric current through copper wire, definitely there will be no change, okay. And if you stop this electric current, then the chemical composition of copper wire remains same. So no new compound is also forming. Definitely it is a physical change. Next one is production of sound by a metal. Okay. So when we are beating a metal, definitely the nearest ear is vibrating. So definitely it is a physical change, it is not a chemical change. Next question is given, write true or false. Cooking of vegetable is a chemical change that is irreversible, desirable, fast but periodic changes. So here you have to take care about the things that if any statement is wrong, so whole will be the false. So cooking of vegetable, definitely it is a chemical change. Cooking of vegetable, definitely it is a irreversible change. It is also desirable. It is also fast, but it is not periodic change. Okay. So your answer will be the false here. Washing of clothes by detergent is a chemical change, but reversible change. Actually, there is some interaction of molecule and the dirt, that is mainly oil. Okay. So this type of interaction, there is formation of micelle that you cannot understand in your level now. Okay. And definitely it is not a reversible change. Irreversible change. After using detergent, we cannot reuse it. Okay. So it is irreversible change, as well as there is some non-covalent interaction is there. Okay. So that washing of clothes, okay, by detergent you can tell it is a chemical change. Next one, cutting of carrot into small pieces is a physical change as well as reversible change. Actually, when you are cutting that carrot, okay, definitely the composition remains same, only the size is changing, okay. It is irreversible, okay. You will not get back the carrot again, okay, after cutting, okay. So this statement is also false, okay. So cutting of carrot into small pieces is a physical change, this is correct, but it is a irreversible physical change, okay. So the statement is wrong, so you have to write false here. Frying of potatoes or snacks or brinjals in mustard oil, when we are preparing anything, okay, by frying, definitely there is some chemical change, okay, as well as it is written that it is a physical change and desirable change. No, it is a chemical change. Cooking is one type of cooking. So cooking is definitely a chemical change, okay. After frying the things, okay, you will not get back this original, okay. So composition is also changing in this case, okay, because when you are frying in oil, huge amount of heat is there, so anytime there will be hardening of these things, okay, as well as there is chemical reaction also, okay, in this case. Next one is given that fermentation process is a chemical change but irreversible. Fermentation process definitely a chemical change, okay, but it is also irreversible. This statement is correct. Sometimes we are preparing alcohol by fermentation of molasses, okay, or sugar, okay. So this is also a chemical change, so your statement will be that true here. Next one is given that multiple fill up the blanks. First one is given dash temperature, dash surface area, dash humidity and dash moving air decreases the rate of evaporation. Okay, so you have to write that low temperature, low surface area, high humidity, and slow moving air decreases the rate of evaporation of water. Okay. Next one is given that during evaporation process, the dash vaporizes, leaving behind the dash. Okay. So in this case, you have to write that solvent will vaporize and solute will leaving behind, okay, as residue. Okay. So your answer will be during evaporation process, the solvent vaporizes and leaving behind the solute. Next one is given dash is a sublimable compound and on heating it turns directly into dash state. So any sublimable compound you can tell iodine, camphor, ammonium chloride, naphthalene. Okay, so you write camphor is a sublimable compound and on heating it turns directly into gaseous state. Next question is given souring of milk is a dash change. Definitely souring of milk is a undesirable change. But dash of milk is a desirable change. Curdling of milk is a desirable change. Although both the processes are dash changes, both the processes are chemical changes. Next one is there glowing of star in the sky. Okay, dash change. Definitely it will be chemical change. Already I have discussed in star, sun, there is hydrogen gas, there is some chemical reaction. Okay, there is mainly nuclear reaction. Okay, here you can write that chemical change and but glowing of electric bulb. Okay, definitely you are heating the filament. Okay, and inside the bulb there is some inner atmosphere, so it will not form any oxide. Okay, definitely it will be a physical change. Hope you can understand the answer of your questions. Okay, what you are asking me. Okay, to give. And today I have discussed the answers of your revision test. Till if you have any confusion, you can ask me, okay, to clear your doubt in live classes, as well as one school query button is there. There also you can send me questions through email. So today up to this, and best of luck for your unit test exam. Thank you.